Petco is awesome.
Look at all these. They're so cute.
Hey, little guy.
I like that one, sitting in its food.
I'm gonna go.
Come here, I really, oh my god, I like this. So cute. Oh my god, they're so cute.
Oh,
You can pick one up if you want. Really? Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. So I won't even have.
full of dogs and pets and stuff.
It's better.
Potrebbe salire da qui. Poi c'è il bordo.
Hola. Hola. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Why are everybody barking? Oh my god. Oh, rats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mouse fight.
Dying.
No.
You there?
It's struggling to get out. Exactly, it's gonna die.
Where is it?
I see it.
Three guinea pigs. Oh. Hey, why are you scared? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Whoa.
Huh? Yeah, I gotta wait for him to get it off though.
It's a tired one.
He wants attention. Whoa. Ferrets. These are some weird looking guys. It's a ferret. Hey, are you a rat? Knock knock. Knocky knocky, you're long. I haven't got to hold the guy. No, I want to pet it. No. Oh man, this is cute. Aww.
I can't.
I'm gonna make a video. No. Hey. Watch.
Love it.
Oh my god. We're going everywhere. No, no, no. What the crap? Is that a lizard? A chameleon.
Very cute.
Oh shoot. There are so many dogs. Hello. Hello. He licked me. And she does it. Lick me again. Yummy. Cute little guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Where? What the crap? Oh my. Hello guy, what's that? Giant horned mountain lizard. What's that? Aww. Aww. New guest is coming. Oh my god. Hey. Hey. Change your color. Oh my god. One is right there. Guys, change your color. So many dogs. Oh my god. Oh man, we're going. See ya, Petco. His name is Petco. Oh man, I miss Petco. Petco. Like this video and subscribe. Peace out.